Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video is regarding plumbing pipe sizing. Okay, it means domestic water supply pipe sizing, and this one is going to be short video. See, for example, here is the one washroom. Okay, in that washroom, there is 4 kitchen sink, 1 lavatory, and one washing machine and laundry tray. We already draw the pipe size. Pipe. Okay, this pipe is going to be PVC or CPVC, UPVC, whatever the pipe. Okay, but this is the domestic water supply pipe, right? So now we already draft the pipe. Okay, and now we are going to size the pipe. See, here is 4 kitchen. Okay, this is the private area. So here is 4 kitchen sink, 1 lavatory, 1 washing machine, laundry. Okay, so we have one software here, plumbing design. Okay, okay, plumbing design, and I am the authorized user. Okay, so if you want this software, this is a paid software. If you want, then price is very nominal price. Okay, very low price, everyone can afford. But firstly, let me show you how to use this software. Okay, and with help of this software, how you can size the pipe. Okay, see, I show you that here is 4 kitchen sink, 1 lavatory. Okay, here firstly we will click new task, anyone we can project select. Okay, now here we can add also the project name, right? Suppose I add the project name, project, okay, the project name, whatever, press the enter. Here it asking that you want to save this in database. I said no, because I don't want to save. Okay, building, office building. Okay, hit the enter button and floor, suppose first. Okay. Now fixture. Firstly fixture is here in lavatory 1. Okay, lavatory private. Okay, how many quantity? 1. So 1. Press the enter. Now save and next. Next is kitchen sink. Okay, so there is a kitchen sink private. How many? Here how many? 4 kitchen sink. So you press 4. Save and next. Next one is washing machine and laundry. Washing machine private 1. Press enter. Save and next. And laundry tray. This is the laundry tray. Okay, how many? 1. Press enter. Save and next. Complete the report. What is the size? 1.25, right? Okay, so if we see in fractional, okay, here see conversion, inches to fraction. Okay. See here 1.25. It means how many? Here it shows here 1 is to 1 by 4, right? So the main pipe size is here, this main pipe, okay? Here see, the main, this cold water pipe size is 1.25, okay? It means 1 is to 1 by 4, this main pipe size, okay? So we can add here 1 by 4 inch, right? This pipe size is already size, okay? And other one, see branches. The branches is here 0.5, 0.375, okay? It means first is kitchen sink. The kitchen sink branches size is 0.5 inch. It means half inch, right? So this branch is this one, fixer branch, okay? So this one by 2 inch. Okay. This branches, right? Branches we already sized, right? And washing machine. What is the washing machine? Branch. See kitchen sink already we sized. Kitchen sink size is kitchen sink is 0.25. See lavatory is 0.25. Okay, we can print this one also. Let me show here. See now it's clear. Here GPM and branches size. Okay, here is the branches size. Okay, so lavatory is 0.25 inch. Okay, this is fixer pipe size. It can be vary like 0.25 to 0.5, but this is the standard size given in IPC. Okay, so you can write here, you can write 0.25 inch. Okay, 0.25, it means 1 by 4 inch. 1 by 4 inch. Okay, this is half inch remaining washing machine 0.375. Okay, 0.375, it means 3 by 8 inch. 3 by 8 inch, right? And laundry tray, this is the laundry tray, 0.375, it means same, 3 by 8 inch, right? Three by 8 inch. So see, the branches size we already already, the fixer branches, right? But segment we did not size now. Okay, and main branch we already size 1 is to 1 by 4 inch. Okay, now see, two keychain, what will be size? The this one half inch. So here this IH will be half inch, right? Here will be same half inch. Okay, this IH will be half inch. What will be the HG? It means two keychain sink, right? So now again we will come here, clear this one, and you can select anything here. Kitchen sink private, right? Kitchen sink private, how many? 2. Enter, save, complete the report, and now here it comes 0.75 inch. Okay, here you come 0.75, it means 3 by 4 inch. So you can come here and write 3 by 4 inch, right? After that, 3 kitchen sink, right? So clear this one, again new task. Okay, and kitchen sink private 3, save and next, complete 0.75, same. Okay, so here you will come, right? 1 2 3 kitchen sink, GF will be same 3 by 4 inch, right? What will be the size FB? FB, okay? FB kitchen sink, 4 kitchen sink, save and next, complete the report, 1 inch, right? Kitchen sink 1 inch. So here you can come and write 1 inch. Okay, this segment already we sized, this one 1 by 4. The remaining is this ED is the same 3 by 8 inch. Okay, this ED will be same 3 by 8 inch. What will be the D and B, right? D and B. So washing machine and laundry too. Clear, new task. Washing machine private 1, save and tray. Laundry tray 1, save and next, complete the report, 0.75 inch, right? So 3 by 4 inch. Come here, right, and 3 by 4 inch, right. Now you see that without checking the IPC, UPC, okay, and many code like NBC, see here, IPC, NSPC, IPSDC, too many code we have to check, okay, and also NBCI for India to size the pipe. But with the help of this software, you can easily, without searching many standards, you can easily size the pipe, whether it is water pipe supply, this is water supply, okay, and other one is the drainage pipe. Here, same as the drainage pipe, you can size, okay. So it's very easy to size the pipe, okay. Whatever the water tanks, swimming pools, pipe sizes, all the things, okay. See, swimming pools also, here you can size the swimming pools, okay, whatever the swimming pools, kidney type or heart type, whatever, okay. And here water tanks, here also you can size, okay, like here suppose office building, gallon per day 25, okay, enter number of persons, suppose 100% is coming in office, so hour per day, okay, how many days of user do you store, so standard is 1.5 days for underground, right. So total storage tank size is 12 meter cube, so it's very easy to size the tank, okay, and size the pipe. Now you can see here, see, without checking any code we size the pipe, okay. So if you want this software, then please comment below, and I will share the prices, okay. This software is very low price, okay, everyone can afford. I hope you learned something from this video. If you learn, then please comment and hit the like button, share also. Thank you very much.